Welcome to the How To in 2 Bent Over Row Edition. When performing a bent over row, it's important that your back is in the proper position to avoid injury. For a tutorial on how to properly hinge at the hip, click the card in the top right corner of the screen now, or click the link in the description below. This great exercise will help strengthen the muscles throughout the back of your body with a focus on the lats, biceps, and back of the shoulders, in addition to improving your mobility and posture. There are many body weight exercises that can be done for your legs and pushing muscles, but when it comes to strengthening the pulling muscles, you really need a source of resistance, be it dumbbells, a resistance band, or tubing. Note that if you are using weights such as dumbbells, it is advised to wear the proper footwear such as a closed-toe shoe in the event of dropping the weight on your foot. Don't have any equipment? Find a household object like a large pot you can safely lift. As you get stronger, you can add weight to the pot, be it water, bags of rice, or soup cans. Maintaining your neutral spine, hinge at the hip and keep a little more weight in the heels. Draw the elbows to the ceiling, tucking them into the sides of your body, then fully extend the elbows at the bottom of your row for full range of motion. Beginners can start with 1 to 2 sets of 10 reps at an appropriate weight or resistance level every other day. The breath rhythm in a bent over row is as such: exhale as you pull, and inhale as you extend your elbows. Again, breathe out as you pull, and breathe in as the arms straighten. Scaling can be done by placing one hand on a sturdy chair or bench that won't slide on the floor and performing one arm at a time. This can also be done by placing your hand on your lower thigh, although it requires more balance. This will help support your back if you have not yet grasped how to properly hinge at the hip. Common faults include using momentum from your lower body by extending your hips and knees, then quickly dropping the torso. Other faults include rounding or flexing the spine, shrugging the shoulders, extending the neck, and flaring the elbows. When performing the single arm row, avoid twisting your hips and shoulders. The bent over row is an excellent exercise to strengthen the lats, biceps, and back of the shoulders, along with stabilizing the back of your body. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.